everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. Do you know many cereals contain iron? And have you ever seen iron when you have cereal? Let's check out if cereals really have irons in them. Here we go! The materials we need today are cereal, measuring cup, water, plastic bag, and strong magnet. Open the box and pour a cup of cereal in the plastic bag. Cross it up with your fingers. Fill the bag a half full with water. Seal the bag securely. Shake up the mixture for about 1 minute. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Cereal needs time to be dissolved. Place the magnet close to the plastic bag. Move the magnet gently. What can you see? Look! Cereal pieces are following the magnet. Let me pour it into the clear cup. What are these black things following the magnet? It's iron. I like it. What? Cereals have iron filings? No, Claire! Don't eat cereal! We need to stop her! Yes, we need to! But how can we stop her? Calm down. She needs iron. What are you talking about? Please follow me. Let me show you something. Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. Claire is eating iron filings. Claire, please. Here it is. Look at the nutrition fact of this cereal. You can see that it contains different kinds of vitamins and minerals. Iron is one of the minerals. Iron is an important mineral for body growth. Iron is very important in making red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. The body cannot make iron on its own, so we must eat iron-rich food, such as meat, seafood, beans, and spinach. As you saw in this science experiment, cereal also has iron. So, we don't need to stop Claire eating cereal. Oh, I see! Thank you, Bo. Cereal, thank you for making Claire healthy and strong. Thank you. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye.